guys, welcome back to Mugs and Makeup. So clearly, as evidenced by my pretty impressive lack of serious makeup on right now, I wasn't anticipating doing a video today, but my Boxy came in the mail. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing because I'm super stoked for this box, you guys. I've heard so many good things. I mean, I keep up with all the spoilers, but this box was actually really hard to keep up with all the spoilers and stuff for because there are a lot of OR products. I do know I think about 3 of the products I know for sure that I'm getting, but that's because one of them, they actually sent an email out and told you exactly what you were getting in advance. So that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting to get this today, and I'm super stoked actually because I'm going shopping tomorrow and I have all this new makeup to, have a cool, fun going shopping look. So let's get opening. Need to keep a knife in here for this. All right. Box is open, and there we go. As always, we start with the little fold out. It comes with a coupon for Laura Lee, 25% off, and a coupon for Smashbox, 20% off. This month's theme was Life of the Party. So that's going to be fun. And here's the rest of the inside. I believe this, yeah, it looks like this box was actually curated by Laura Lee. And I think if I had to guess, I'd say this was actually a partnership for the release of her new palettes, which we all got one of those. So without further ado, I'm going to get started with all the cool things in my box. Okay, this was the item that, OR item that I knew I was getting. I got some lashes from House of Lashes. Here they are. These are the style Bambi. These are really long and really dramatic looking. I'm going to reserve judgment on them until I've put them on, because I thought the other lashes that I got from BoxyCharm, the Baddington lashes, I thought those were going to be way too long and look really weird, but honestly, they just made my eyes look huge and gorgeous once I figured out how to put them on. So now I have a nice, fresh new pair of lashes to work with, since my Baddington lashes are getting to look a little rough. So, let's see. These retail for anywhere from $9 to $12 a pair. So that's cool. I also got a Smashbox lipstick. This is the Be Legendary lipstick. Let's see. The color looks like it's called Straight Up. Okay. Yeah, the color's Straight Up. It looks like it's a dark brown sort of color. Not really something I usually wear, but I'm definitely willing to give it a shot. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put this on. Let me grab a mirror and give it a shot. See how I like this shade. Now this is a really quick rush job and my lips are really chapped right now, so don't know how actually good it's gonna look. Like up close it looks really rough. This does not look like it is a matte. It looks like it's like a satiny finish lipstick. This is actually a really nice color. I actually really like this. This is going to be really great for fall, winter kind of looks. I don't think I'm really going to be able to wear it much before that, just because I don't think it really works for this point in the season. But I kind of actually like it. Give you a better idea of how it wears kind of later on, but it doesn't really seem to be drying down. It seems like it's like a cream kind of lipstick. Let's see. One swipe color, the Be Legendary lipstick. yeah, I don't see anything else about this. Smashbox assorted lip products. I don't know exactly what this particular, style kind of lipstick retails for, but it says anywhere from $21 to $24 for the Smashbox lipstick. So overall, not bad. All right. What's next? Okay. This is the Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. The lid was not all the way on. I think it might have supposed to have been that way. I'm not sure. So this is like a brown gel eyeliner. Here's the box. Here's the packaging, that nice mirrored. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think I saw that this can also be used as a brow gel, like a brow product. I don't know if it's going to be dark enough for my brows. As you can tell, I have dark hair and dark brows both, but it might work there. But I don't really wear brown eyeliner. I might try it just because I have it. The only other brown eyeliner I have is a pencil, and it's really old and really gross. So, I'm going to reserve judgment on this until I try it. Because, just because I don't wear brown eyeliner now doesn't mean I'm never going to. So, this retails for $22. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm excited. So, I've gotten products from this brand before and I love them. I just would never actually purchase them on my own. This is the Adesse New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I have some nail polish from Adesse and I have never gotten a bad one. I love them. So this is, it's cuticle oil, but I don't have any cuticle oil. I've never used cuticle oil, so this will be really great, a really great addition to my beauty routine. I was considering actually buying some, but when I saw somewhere that the BoxyCharm for this month had a cuticle oil in it, I saw one that had this and one that had a different one. I was really hoping for this one, and I'm super excited. Let's see. This retails for $18, which is about how much their nail polishes retail for. So I'm actually going to be trying this tonight. As you can tell, I really need to redo my nails. So this will be awesome. Gonna do that in a minute. We also, everybody got, Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. 3 pairs. As you can tell, I have really dark under eyes, and I also have very textured under eyes, so I'm really excited to try this. I've had some under eye masks from Tarte that I just kind of wanted to hold on to because I wanted to save them for like a special occasion. And now that I have these, I might use those as well, just so that, because I don't feel quite so obligated to save them now that I have more. These retail for, I believe that's $13 for all 3, not $13 each, but I'd have to double check on that. But yeah, I'm super excited about these. Oh my gosh. And the star of this particular box is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. The packaging's gorgeous. Okay, magnetic closure. Ooh, a mirror. Oh gosh, it's like a really luxurious mirror up here at the top. And look at these colors. Oh my gosh. I don't have a lot of colors like this anymore. I used to only have brightly colored eyeshadow, but then when I got my first Too Faced palette and I kind of migrated away from the like the cheaper eyeshadows, I started trashing a lot of my really old, like really old, like years and years and years old bright colored eyeshadow palettes so that I can kind of transition into, using some more neutrals for a while. And now I have some some more brightly colored ones now. I've got my Naked Heat, I've got the Crown palette that I got last month, and the Reina del Caribe palette that I got in this BoxyCharm 2 months ago. I think it was my first Boxy that came in, and that has a lot of gorgeous colors in it. But this is just all beautiful, bright color. It looks like 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys. Okay, this is the yellow called It's a Party. And these are really light swatches, guys. This isn't anywhere near like what these things could be. So that's pretty light, but I also think it's got a lot of buildability. It also has probably got something to do with my skin tone. I'm really pale, and I don't know if I could pull off quite that shade of yellow. Damage control is beautiful. Look at this color. Oh, I just want to possess something in this color, clothing-wise, so I can wear this. Karaoke. This is dark blue. That's really pretty. Yeah, that's super pretty. Dranks is orange. Let's see what kind of pigment this has. Oh, wow. Yeah, so far the only one that's even remotely disappointed me is the yellow, but I think that's a skin tone issue more than anything else. Bottoms up is a shimmery pink, like bubblegum pink. Ooh, I like how that can sheer out and like be a surprise with this shimmer. And then a deep plum called Hungover. Ooh, oh, that's a gorgeous color. Kind of wish the plum had been matte, but that's okay. This retails for $19. So, yep, that's the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. I'm kind of thrilled. I've never had anything from Laura Lee. I have a Smashbox lipstick that I have mixed feelings about. I honestly think it's an issue with the color, because every lipstick I've ever had in a color like the one that I have trouble with has given me trouble. So I'm thrilled about the lashes, super thrilled about the cuticle oil and these masks. Kind of in between on the eyeliner, but overall pretty good box. I don't think it's the most expensive box that we've gotten as far as like products, but as far as what we got, I think it's probably one of my favorites. So yeah, it's just a quick video for today. That's all I've got. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again next time.